Okay. Please introduce myself. My name is Fitria Dwi Rahmawati, one of the author of this paper with the title The Impact of Transformational Leadership Style on ASN Performance with Work Motivation Mediation. State civil apparatus or ASN are civil servants who must provide the best service to the community who need services. These ASN are required to be a pioneer in order to be able to overcome problems in all fields. ASN must have high quality, dedication, and work ethic. This study aims to determine the effect of the leadership style on ASN performance through work motivation at the Jember Regency government. The population on this study were our leader of regional apparatus organization or OPD, totaling 72 ASN, saturated samples as a sampling technique with the descriptive analysis, validity and reliability test, and hypothesis test. This study was carried out. This study resulted in the transformational leadership style had an effect on work motivation. Transformational leadership style had a positive and significant effect on ASN performance. Employee work motivation had an impact on ASN performance at the Jember Regency Government or PD. Transformational leadership style had a positive and significant effect on ASN performance through work motivation. Okay, I will tell the process of this paper. For the introduction is ASN or Aparatus Sipil Negara refers to state civil apparatus in Indonesia, which encompasses civil servants who work in government institutions. They are responsible for implementing public policies and providing service to the community. ASN have a vital responsibility in delivering quality public services and implementing government policies effectively. They need for quality and professionalism. They are high quality, dedication, strong work ethic. High quality dedication, strong work ethic essential to address various challenges and ensure efficient service delivery. So, leadership style may influence ASN motivation and performance. This study aims to analyze the effect of transformational leadership on ASN performance, focusing on the mediating role of work motivation within the Jember Regency government. Based on BKN or BKN Regulation number 8 of 2019, Articles 1, Paragraph 10, which reads, professionalism is the quality of attitude of member of profession and the degree of knowledge and expertise possessed to be able to carry out work tasks according to the specified standards and requirements. The literature review for this paper used the real theory, yeah. They are transformational leadership, motivation, and ASN performance. Transformational leadership motivates followers for organizational benefit of the organization with individual friendliness, with intellectual stimulation and ideal influence, capable of transforming into their interest to prioritize the interests of the organization as well. And then work motivation drive individuals to perform well. Motivation can provide energy that can move all existing potential, create high and noble desire, and increase the passion of togetherness. And then for the ASN performance, measure through qualification, competencies, and work behavior. Civil servant performance assessment is carried out by combining SKP values and behavior values. For the methodology of this research, method of review population with leaders of regional apparatus organization, 72 respondent. The indicator of ASN performance are educational qualification, competencies process, performance result, and discipline. Data collection with saturated sampling technique, and then for the analysis with use descriptive analysis, validity and reliability test, and hypothesis testing. For the research concept framework, like as showing on the screen, there are three variable with variable X, transformational leadership, and then variable Y, ASM performance with the work motivation as variable Z. This research has three hypotheses, which is first hypothesis is transformational leadership influence ASN for motivation, and then second hypothesis is transformational leadership influence ASN performance. The third hypothesis is work motivation influences ASN performance. For the result and conclusion for this paper, the result of validity test and reliability test with use questionnaire instrument in the study has met the reliability test requirement because all Cong-Braid alpha values are above point 0.7. And then for the respondent characteristic analysis, the respondent of the study were structural official heads of regional apparatus in the Chamber Regency, a government environment who have the authority to manage the APBD amounting to 72 civil servants. The characteristic of the respondent are distinguished based on gender, the education which are presented on the screen, which based on gender there are 11% women and 89% men. Based on educational level, there are three educational level. Yeah, there are bachelor, doctor, and magister. With 32% bachelor, 65% magister, and 3% doctor. Okay, for the hypothesis test calculation, this section describes its path in the model section using path analysis. Its path test is show a direct and the indirect effect. Knowing the significance of each path will answer whether the proposed hypothesis is accepted or rejected. With the adjustment, testing the transformational leadership style variable or variable X on work motivation or variable Z, obtain coefficient value and p coefficient like on the table that pet coefficient 0.438 and p value 0.001 with the result is significant because the p value is smaller than alpha, and then its O is rejected, thus there is a significant influence of transformational leadership on work motivation. For testing the transformational leadership style variable on ASN performance atau variable Y, obtain a PET coefficient value of 0.209 with a p-value of 0.013 because the p-value is smaller than alpha, then HO is rejected. Thus, there is a significant influence of transformational leadership style on ASN performance. For the testing, the work motivation variable on ASN performance obtain a PET coefficient value of 0.407 with p-value 0.001 because the p-value is smaller than alpha. Uh, thus, HO is rejected. Thus, there is an influence of work motivation on ASN performance. Indirect influence of transformational leadership style on ASN performance variable through the intervening variable work motivation or variable Z of 0.178, which is smaller than alpha. Influence of the transformational leadership style of variable X on ASN performance variable Y, which is 0.209. For the conclusion, this paper is transformational leadership significantly affect our motivation, positive impact of work motivation on ASN performance, and then recommendation for improving ASN performance through effective leadership and motivation. I think this is the last slide for this presentation. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.